how to delete or how to log out your Instagram account in another phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete the Instagram account in another phone. Now the process is quite simple. If you want to log out your account from other devices or from another phone, then here's how you can do it. Simply open up Instagram, make sure you're logged into your account. At the bottom right corner, you'll find the profile icon. You want to tap on it, and then you want to tap on the three horizontal or the hamburger icon at the top right. Now here you'll see settings and privacy options. Simply tap on it, and you can see the very first option of Meta, that's his account center. You want to tap on it, and once you tap on it here, you'll get the password and security option that you can see under account settings. And once you tap on it, it'll ask you to choose an option here, change password, two-factor authentication and such. But down below you can see under security checks the where you are logged in option. Simply tap on it and you'll be able to choose the account that you want to check your logins for. Now if you have multiple accounts connected, then it'll show up here. In my case I don't have, so it's just showing one account here. Tap on it and you can see here the list of devices my account is logged in on. Simply tap on the particular phone that you wish to log out your account from, and then you'll be able to tap on log out there and it'll get logged out. So this way you can delete Instagram account in another phone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.